This is Rachel Doe back with another video. Today is a hotel tour of the 4 Points Flex by Sheraton in Osaka Honmachi. We stayed here when we were going to visit Universal Studios Japan and sightsee. This is a regular business style hotel in Japan. It's a very small room. This one is a double, but it has all the amenities you need. So if you're going to be out and about for the day, these business hotels are a great choice. So you can see they have extension cords, chargers, tea and coffee in the room. The fridge was cold, although it was pretty small. And the safe is located under the bed in this drawer. Not every business hotel I've stayed in has a safe, so that was good to know. They have the night lights by the bed. And over here there are hangers to hang up your coats and your clothes. Of course, the shoehorn, room spray, laundry bag, and slippers you can use. The bathroom is a typical small style Japanese bathroom, so we have a full bidet. They provided shampoo and conditioner. I was trying to show how small the tub was with my hand, which wasn't obvious in the video, and here you can see it's the same tap for the sink and the tub, and then it's the same faucet as well. So you can change between using the sink and turning on the shower. So in the bathroom, we also have the hairdryer. If you need any other bath amenities, they are in the lobby under the sign here. This is another feature of business hotels. It's really nice because they have toothbrushes, razors, hairbrushes, in addition to moisturizer, lotion, things like that. And this hotel had a space under the bed to store your luggage in. This is just one carry-on size bag, and we could have fit two easily, or one maybe medium size bag. And last but not least, here was our incredible view of the city. Thank you so much for watching. I am an actor living in Japan right now, and on YouTube I make a lot of tourism content, hotel reviews, and more, so a comment, like, and subscribe would go a long way for my small channel.